In the era of agents, Looker's semantic layer is more important than ever.
When AI agents tackle complex questions like, what is our percent gross margin over the last 4 years, they face several challenges. They must identify the relevant tables, determine which specific fields to use, and apply the correct filters and calculations. The semantic layer is the answer to these hurdles, but we know that building and scaling one is often easier said than done.
With Gemini and Knowledge Catalog, transforming raw data into actionable insights by automating LookML generation has never been easier. You can accelerate and simplify the semantic layer development, turning weeks of manual modeling into minutes. At the same time, the Looker VS Code extension enables a seamless developer flow, allowing you to vibe code with AI agents without ever leaving your favorite environment. Let us explore this new flow, assuming we have a data product defined in Knowledge Catalog. We're going to use that foundation to automate and accelerate our LookML workflow. Opening this data product, we see comprehensive documentation that describes the relevant data and metric definitions. Beyond the high-level overview, we have our metrics defined in plain English. But when logic is implemented by the consumers rather than the source, consistency disappears. When we pivot to the Assets tab, you'll see multiple tables. Each of these has undergone thorough metadata harvesting using insight generation. Notice the level of detail here. Every table has a clear description, and every column in the schema is fully documented. But the real magic is in the relationships. These weren't mapped manually. We leveraged BigQuery insight generation to analyze the entire dataset and automatically detect joins, foreign keys, and dependencies. Knowledge Catalog can also harvest relationships through lineage and APIs, automatically capturing your hidden context. With this foundation of high-quality, AI-enriched metadata in Knowledge Catalog, we're ready for the next step. I'll show you how we can feed all of this information into Gemini to automatically generate our LookML model. I have moved to VS Code, where I've activated the Gemini CLI. I stay productive in my familiar development environment while vibe coding alongside Gemini to iterate at speed. Let's start by asking Gemini to define a development plan. Our goal is to generate LookML for this data product while leveraging every bit of metadata and documentation provided by the product owner. As you can see, Gemini already knows to source the underlying data from the Knowledge Catalog. I've configured the Gemini CLI with specific knowledge engine skills, which allows the agent to intelligently explore and interpret complex metadata. Notice the step-by-step reasoning here. It's currently crawling the metadata stored within our data blocks. By connecting these skills, Gemini doesn't just guess, it builds a plan based on the actual architectural truth of our data. Let's take a look at the final suggested plan it has produced. Here is the Looker metadata we provided, like the project, model, and connection. Then we see the tables, clear labels, and detailed descriptions. Notice how Gemini is interpreting the metrics defined in our documentation. It's accurately translating our business logic into technical definitions. It has also mapped out the joins. We can see 2 distinct explore contexts here, both executed correctly. This looks great. Now, let's confirm the plan. In a real-world scenario, you might edit these details, providing further instructions. But for today's demo, we'll move forward as is. We'll authorize Gemini to generate the views. It's now creating the code for all our views, including the complex metrics and dimensions. Let's inspect the generated code. You'll notice the labels and descriptions are all present and mapped correctly to our source data. For the purposes of this demo, I've configured the agent to pause at every milestone and wait for my approval. This allows us to slow things down and showcase exactly how the LookML is being constructed. In a real-world production scenario, you would likely grant the agent full autonomy to execute the entire plan end-to-end. I will accept all the changes for all views and model files until the LookML generation is completed. Now that our model is ready, let's explore it to verify the generated code. We can confirm that the implemented measures address the data product specifications. Let us validate the model, and I want to briefly explain the activity you're seeing on the right side of the screen. Those aren't messages from the Gemini agent. Those are live logs from the Looker VS Code extension. Because this extension is active, I can edit LookML exactly as I would within the native Looker IDE. The best part? Everything Gemini generates, the views, the explores, the joins, is already synced and available in Looker developer mode. It's a seamless bridge from local code to a live Looker environment.
To put this model to the test, let's ask Gemini to generate a dashboard for us. We'll head back to the prompt and request a new dashboard within Looker to validate our work. As you can see, Gemini created a LookML dashboard. Gemini understands that there's one final step required to make this dashboard functional in Looker. It needs to be imported into the model. As you can see, Gemini has already identified that requirement and applied the change automatically, without me even asking. That's the power of a context-aware assistant. Now let's switch over to Looker. We're currently in development mode, which allows us to see the exact changes we just pushed from Visual Studio Code. The immediate advantage of this workflow is the seamless sync. If we navigate to our dashboard, we can see our measures correctly calculating our KPIs. The semantic layer allows us to jump straight into the analysis to ask more questions. For example, let's break down new users acquired yesterday by country. Every measure we defined in our documentation is now a functional part of our environment. Now, let's put the model to work using conversational analytics. We can ask questions such as, what is the gross margin percentage by country over the last 4 years? Gross margin percentage is defined as a ratio, so it cannot be stored in a table. It's calculated dynamically. In a typical AI setup, an agent might try to guess the logic. But here, because we are using a semantic layer, the metric is already governed. This is the real power of the semantic layer. We've built a sound foundation that eliminates the hallucinations often found in raw SQL generation. As you can see, the analysis is precise, and the logic remains uniform across the entire